Hey everyone, welcome back to Single Step English. I'm Steve, and I'm here to help you speak English more fluently and naturally. Unfortunately, some English words are difficult to pronounce because they don't sound the way they look. And today, we're tackling one of those words, deteriorate. Many learners say it wrong without even realizing it. But don't worry, I'll break it down so that by the end of this lesson, you'll be pronouncing it perfectly. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on future pronunciation tips. All right, let's dive in. Before we work on pronunciation, let's first understand what deteriorate actually means. To deteriorate means to gradually, slowly, get worse or decline in quality over time. For example, the old building started to deteriorate after years of neglect. Or another example, her eyesight began to deteriorate because of too much screen time. Now that we know what the meaning is, let's work on the pronunciation. All right, let's break it down into syllables. Deteriorate. But here's something important. Native speakers don't always pronounce every part clearly. So the correct pronunciation when we put it together is deteriorate. However, in fast speed, native speakers will often say it like this, deteriorate. Once more, deteriorate. Did you notice the difference? Try saying it together with me, deteriorate. Once more, deteriorate. Very good. Now, let's use deteriorate in a sentence. If you don't take care of your car, its condition will deteriorate over time. Can we try saying this sentence together? If you don't take care of your car, its condition will deteriorate over time. Good. Once more, a little faster. If you don't take care of your car, its condition will deteriorate over time. Keep practicing, and soon you'll sound more natural when you say deteriorate. Are there any other tricky words you want me to teach? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.